નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello students, today we are going to learn standard 7 subject English grammar lesson number 6 verbs, stative, dynamic. As you know students, in our previous 2-3 lessons we studied about verbs. We studied different types of verbs, transitive, intransitive verbs and so on. Now today we have to learn about stative and dynamic words. As you learned in our 6th standard English grammar textbook that there are mainly two types of verbs is there in our English grammar. First one is that stative and second one is that dynamic. Stative you also known as a linking verb and dynamic means action verb. There are two types of verb we already studied in our 6th standard grammar book. Linking verb and action verb. Linking verb is known as a stative and action verb is known as a dynamic. So both types of verb we have to see here in this lesson. So students, let's start. First of all, I start with a definition of verbs. What is a verb? We have to understand about it. Verb is a word or a group of words that shows an action, event or a state of being. These all are known as a verbs. As you know, verb is a word or a group of words that show an action or events or state of being. All are known as a verbs that show action, state of being and events. It is known as a verb. In our simple language we can say that verb is a doing word. Verb is a doing word. Now here based on that we have studied about stative and dynamic. Verbs can be classified as stative and dynamic. Verb can be classified into two types, stative and dynamic. Stative means linking verb and dynamic means action verb. We studied in our 6th standard. Now first of all, stative words. We have to study about stative verbs. Stative verbs are those that show the state of mind, feelings, location, position, situation or condition of the subject in a relation to the object. In certain words we can say that stative words show the relation between subject and object. It is a link two things, subject and object. So it is known as a linking verb or stative verb. Can you understand? It links subject to object. So that type of verb is known as a stative verb. In other words, we can say that it is a linking verb. It is a one type of linking verb. It shows the relationship between subject and object. We use that type of verb to show relation between subject and object. That type of verb known as a stative verb, or in other words, we can say that it's a linking verb. Here one example is given. See, Ralph has 2 apples and 1 banana in his basket. Here Ralph is a subject of that sentence. 2 apples and 1 banana is an object of that sentence. But subject and object is connected with a verb. Linking verb or stative verb has. So here has is known as linking verb or stative verb because it shows the relationship between subject Ralph and between object 2 apples and 1 banana. So it is connected. It shows the relation. So that type of verb is known as a stative verb or linking verb. Can you understand student here? Head shows the relationship between Ralph and 2 apples and 1 banana. It shows the relation between subject and object. So we can say that head is a stative verb here. or linking verb. Second example I write here. Just see. I am happy. Only three words is given here. I am happy. So here I is a subject of that sentence and happy is so the state of being. So here am verb is known as a linking verb or a stative verb. Why? I is a subject here and happy is an object here. So it shows the relation, state of being of subject. Here subject state of being is what? Happy. So it shows the state of being. So we can say that am is here as a stative verb or linking verb. It link I and happy with subject and object. So we can say that am is here and am is here as a linking verb or stative verb. Can you understand students about stative verbs? We already studied in our 6th standard as a linking verb. Now students, we have to study about dynamic verbs. Dynamic verbs are those that show the action, development, process, course or perception of some object by the subject. So here dynamic verbs are known that show the action of the subject or development, process, anything, etc. It shows the action of by object, the subject of the object by the subject. In other words, in simple language, we can say that it is an action verb. Action verb. It shows the action of the subject. It shows the action of the subject. In our 6th standard, we studied about it that it's an action verb. It is known as a dynamic verb. Dynamic verbs, those that show the action, development, process, etc. of some object by the subject. In other words, we can say that it is an action verb. Here, example. By example, we have to understand about it. Here, one example is given here. See, Ralph is carrying 2 apples and 1 banana in his basket. Here subject is Ralph, object is 2 apples and 1 banana is the object here. But here between that is carrying is a verb, is a verb. It connects subject and object, but here subject's action is repeated. Ralph is carrying is to carry with him. So here Ralph's action is shown. Ralph is carrying 2 apples and 1 banana. Here Ralph is carrying 2 apples and banana. So here is carrying, so the action. So we can say that it's a dynamic verb or action verb. It shows the action. Now second example here. Post a sandwich. Here post is subject. A sandwich is an object here. But here between that one word is given A-T-E. A is a here dynamic verb. It shows the subject's action. What post here it shows the action of post. Post is post at a sandwich. Post is eating here sandwich. So it shows the action of post. So here A is considered as a dynamic verb or an action verb. Can you understand student here? So here our stative and dynamic verbs all. Teaching points all. Can you understand student about stative and dynamic verbs all? State of being. So the state of being is the stative verbs and dynamic verbs is action verb. Linking verb and action verbs we studied about all the teaching points here. Now in our next screen we have to study exercise related to these teaching points. Now students,
we have to do exercise related to verb stative dynamic. In our previous screen, we studied about verb stative dynamic. Stative verbs are those that show the state of mind, feeling, location, position, situation or condition of the subject in the relation to the object. It is known as a stative verb, or in our language we can say that it's a linking verb. Now dynamic verb. Dynamic verbs are those that show the action, development process, course or perception of some object by the subject. In our simple language we can say that it's a type of verbs is known as a action verbs. So students, now understanding about stative and dynamic words, we have to do based on that exercise A. Exercise A is given here. See, pick out the verbs from the following sentences and state whether they are stative or dynamic. First of all, we have to read the sentence. From that sentence, we have to find out the verb. After that, verb is which type of stative verb is there or dynamic verb is there. We have to decide it. Okay. First sentence is given here. See, you should not trust strangers and wayfarers. Okay, you should not trust strangers and wayfarers. Here, which is verb? We have to find it. Here, you is a subject, should is a helping verb, and trust is a main verb here. Trust is a main verb here. Trust. It show the action. It show the action or not action. I think trust is a stative verb. Stative verb means it show the relation between stranger and you. So it show the relation. So it's a become a stative verb. We can say that trust is here stative verb. Trust is a stative verb here. Second sentence we have to see. Will you give us a hand with the luggage? Will you give us a hand with the luggage? Here, which is verb we have to find out. Here, give is a verb. But which type of verb? Will you give us a hand with the luggage? Here, give means dynamic word. Dynamic verb. It show the action. So we can say that it's a dynamic verb. Here, give is a dynamic verb. Next, third one. Third sentence. No one can understand why Oogie despises the 3 cockroaches. No one can understand why Oogie despises the 3 cockroaches. Which is verb here we have to find out. Here, understand is a verb here. So understand it show the relation between subject and object. So we can say that it's an stative verb. Understand is a stative verb. But second verb is given here despises. Despises is also here stative verb. Despises also here as a stative verb. Can you understand, student? Now next one is there. This factory shut down after the floods. This factory shut down. Here shut down is a verb. Here shut down means it show the action. Factory shut down after the floods. It show an action. So that we can say that it's a shut is here dynamic verb. Shut is here as a dynamic verb. Can you understand? Next one is there. The white witch then put the princess and her entire kingdom to sleep. The white witch then put the princess and her entire kingdom to sleep. Here put is a verb. Here put is a verb. So put show the action. We can say that it's a put is a dynamic verb. It's show an action. So we can say that it's a dynamic verb. Can you understand, student? Now next one, 6 number, we have to do sentence number 6. See here. My 1 month cruise starts tomorrow. My 1 month cruise start tomorrow. Here starts is a verb here. Starts, so the action, we can say that. So it's a dynamic verb. It's a dynamic verb. 7 number. This was a flaw in our plan that I had never anticipated. Here one verb, was, is given. Was is actually one type of linking verb. We can say that it's a stative. It's a stative verb, linking verb. It's a link subject and object. We can say that. So was is here stative verb. Next verb is there, anticipated. Anticipated, next word is given here. Anticipated is also stative verb. Next number, 8 number. Complete your homework and you will be free to play. Complete your homework and you will be free to play. Here complete is a verb. Sentence started with a verb here, complete. Complete, so the action. It's a action. It's showing the action. So we can say that complete is here dynamic verb. Complete is here and a dynamic verb. Second verb is given here be. Second verb is given here be. Be is here, it's a linking verb, or we can say that it's a stative verb. It's a stative verb. Now next number, 9th, we have to study about it. Sentence number 9th. The fund scheme did not provide Larry with enough scholarship money. Here provide is a verb. Provide is a verb here. So provide is a show an action. We can say that it's a dynamic verb. We can say that it's a dynamic verb. Next one is there. The mob dispersed when the police fired tear gas bombs. The mob dispersed when the police fired tear gas bombs. Here dispersed is a dynamic verb. Is so an action. So we can say that dispersed is here dynamic verb. And second one is there, fired. Second verb is given here, fired. Fired is also one type of showing action. So we can say that it's a dynamic verb. Students, can you understand here our exercise A over? You have to complete exercise A's answer in your grammar textbook with pencil. Write like that. Trust dash stative verb. Like that. Give dash dynamic verb. You have to complete your grammar textbook exercise A with pencil. Okay, student?
Thank you for joining us